Hey guys, welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life and Happy New Year. I cannot believe we are in 2023 already, but I'm so excited because I've got lots of great content coming up for you over the next few months. Today we are doing laundry, and I mean, I've got a boatload of laundry, y'all. This is an all-day laundry motivation video with lots of great folding motivation as well as making some beds and all kinds of good stuff. So we better get started.
Baby, when you hold me, I rather lost my senses than be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. I was running from myself those days, always breathless, search for something safe. And then I smashed into that golden face. And for the first time, I don't run away. We danced together till we got it right. Ups and downs through many days and nights. You appeared to be my guiding light. And at the same time, I realized, oh baby, when you hold me, I rather lost my senses than be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. Oh baby, as long as I got you. Oh baby, baby, as long as you want me to. As long as I got you, you. As long as I got you. We faced the dark like if we weren't scared. Close to each other's backs without no fear. Hold on and waited for the sun to appear. 'Cause in the nighttime, I'm by your side. Oh baby, when you hold me, I rather lost my senses than be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. Oh baby, as long as I got you. Oh baby, baby, as long as you want me to. As long as I got you. As long as I got you. I'm done with embrace. I'm done with ache. 'Cause I'm done with fake. As long as I got you. I'm done with embrace. I'm done with ache. 'Cause I'm done with fake. Oh baby, when you hold me, I rather lost my senses than be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. I'm done with embrace. Oh baby, as long as I got you. 'Cause I'm done with baby, baby, as long as you want me to. I'm done with embrace. As long as I got you. As long as I got you.
Today's video is part of a laundry motivation collaboration that is hosted by my two good friends, Becky from Stay at Home Life with Becky and Charmaine from Charmaine Rosalie. Their channels, as well as a playlist of great YouTube creators, is listed in my description box below. We all have lots of laundry motivation for you. If you're interested in seeing lots of cleaning motivation, organizing, decluttering, um, power hours, all kinds of good mom life cleaning motivation, clean with me's. Make sure that you check out Charmaine and Becky's channels.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones out when he's done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be three for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones out when he's done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be three for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be three for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be
So, with it being the beginning of 2023, tell me, guys, have you made any New Year's resolutions, or do you do that one word that you follow throughout the whole year? What do you have goals, resolutions, plans? What's the word that's going to motivate you for the year? Are you manifesting anything? Let me know in the description box below what that you're working on for 2023 so that we can all motivate each other.
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know, lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Oh. Reach out to me.
Okay, guys, I'm down to my last load in the dryer, which is another Christmas blanket that will go into storage under my bed as soon as it's dry. Want to tell you thank you so much for following along as I've tackled this massive load of laundry. I really appreciate your support as well as your spending time with me today. Don't forget to check out Becky and Charmaine's channel, who's hosting today's collab, as well as the playlist of lots of YouTube creators who have prepared a laundry motivation video for you. Most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you.